Alright, had to just have a bad contactor here. I had the voltage drop. I'm just doing continuity. So I got continuity on this side. Right, this side. Just pressing the contactor in. It says, let's see if you can open line. So yeah, two way of doing it. Either you do it live, then the voltage drops, or already changed that. It's just a bad contactor, and if it's like once it closes, it should be literally 0 ohms. It would be like a closed switch, but that's open line, so that contactor gone. Yeah, it's running, and we're all good. And just one of those parts that go, the contactors, and also the run capacitors go on these things. All right, just a quick video. All right, ciao.